Hi YouTube. How are you? I'm okay, I guess. More shoe nonsense again. I don't know why. I honestly don't know why I do this. Nobody watches this, so if you are watching it, do a little like, do a little comment, do a little subscribe, whatever, and then maybe if you do that, um, the YouTube's algorithm will fix itself and it'll put me out there and more people will watch me, and maybe I'll start doing better quality stuff rather than the garbage quality video that you're watching right now. I don't know. I think it's a chicken and the egg thing. I don't know whether to do I need to make better quality videos in order for more people to watch it, or if more people watch it, will that motivate me to do better quality videos? I don't know. It doesn't matter. It really doesn't. Okay, here we go. Today we are doing little different Nike box. There you go. This is not a shoe for me. This was a shoe that I picked up or had my wife pick up because I saw it on sale. Do you go to Aritzia? Is Aritzia a thing where you're at? Are you fancy pants? Is Aritzia a fancy pants store? We got one local. We just recently, like a month ago, had one open up in the St. Louis area. We've been in there like every weekend since then, shopping for nonsense and shenanigans for the wife. It's a whole thing. Apparently, it's big on the TikToks with the ladies. They don't have men's clothes. Yeah, whatever. It's fine. We got nothing on here that tells me a colorway. I don't think. Oh, yeah, it does. This is the Nike LD-1000 Edition A. Edition A for Aritzia. There you go. Y'all see that? Is that going to focus? I don't know if it will or not. Who cares? You guys don't care, do you? There you are. Yeah. Colorway is Sesame. These were on sale on the Aritzia site. Apparently it was a collab that they did. And got the fancy pants box with the slidiness. We like slidiness, right? A little bit different than the regular box. We're gonna set this, and we are gonna take these. She's already worn these even, so that's fine. We don't care, do we? Look at this. We got our shoes. There you go. It's like that, right? Yeah. Little she said she wasn't gonna like this. She wasn't a fan when I told her to place the order for these. I said they were on sale and she should buy them anyway. Even though and that she would like them when she got them, and she does. I was right. She was wrong about it. And it's not about who's right and who's wrong in a relationship. That's not what I'm getting at. I'm saying this I thought was a proper good silhouette, and it doesn't translate in photos. Probably doesn't translate on video, but that's probably more my fault than the shoes. Anyway, yeah, little slidey open drawer. Aritzia box. There's that thing. Got the little nice pull tab on here. Nobody cares about the box. Did come with little with a little shoe bag. Little shoe bag's nice. Got the little Aritzia and Nike branding on there. Can y'all see that? There you go. That's a nice thing. That's fancy pants. Not a lot of my shoes came with shoe bags. I think maybe a couple of the Jordans did, but they're all downstairs. They're all old-timey. They don't do that shit anymore. But anyway, we got the little round laces there. What color did I say these were? Let me see. Hold on. Now I gotta put the glasses back on. They're Sesame. Yeah, Sesame colored laces. Little rope laces, round ones. They're okay, right? It's a good thing. We can do the little Pinoy man shaft thing. Do I keep saying that all the time? I do. We can do that. We can do this. Yeah, they look kind of the same. All right, we're just gonna look at one of them. Well, that's all we need to do. We'll look at the right shoe because it came with the little Aritzia fancy bits here. Yeah, got a little thing bouncing around here. Little star, and then a little tag. I think it says Aritzia on it. It's a little printed in here. It looks like brass, maybe bronze. I don't know. Whatever. But yeah, good quality leather. I like this. Very, very soft. This, I don't say it very often. I would call this, it's buttery. Ooh, fancy pants buttery leather. We got this here. We got the little the embossed Nike logo. A little swoosh up here on the toe, on the thing. You go to the back here. Oh, look, it says Nike on the back tab. Imagine that. Same thing on this other one. It says Nike on the back tab too. That's nice of them to put that there. Little waffle sole. That's a whole thing where, yeah, back in the 70s, that was whoever it was, whoever invented these, whoever ran Nike and started it. Somebody tell me what his name is. I'll look it up later. I really don't care that much. Said he used the waffle maker inside the house, and then made up the soles to come up with this kind of business. Yeah, that was the launch of Nike. I do know it was in 1972. That was a thing that happened. But got kind of is that a nubuck? Can y'all tell? I can't tell. I don't know what the difference is here. Got the little nubuck on the back. Got the little nubuck on the toe here. That's nice. Soft leather. It's not like a suede, but yeah. I don't say too often that it's buttery. I would be okay with wearing this shoe. Not this one specifically because it won't fit me. My feet are bigger than my wife's. But yeah, that's okay. Little white on the inside here. Yeah, this is an okay thing. I'm glad I told her to buy these because once she put them on, she likes them. They're comfortable. Yeah, so this worked out well. They were on sale. I think that the box said that they're normally like $165 for the Aritzia, the Nike by Aritzia collab. And these things were they clocked in at not well under, but they were under $100, and I think that was shipped. That was not that was okay. I'd be okay with that. I am okay with that. Yeah. So, ladies, what do you think? Oh, look at this. I saw here it kind of hit the light a little bit. The little embossed Nike logo here. It's kind of a little glossy, whereas the rest of the shoes kind of it's not really a matte leather, but I guess it is. What would you people call this? I don't know. It's not bad though. I like this. I like the gum outsole. What is it? It's Sesame. I don't need to look at the box again. I can remember something. Yeah, Sesame midsole. Sesame leather, Sesame kind of nubuck on the back, on the front. Got the little serrated doodad around here for the lace stays. What else? It says Nike here on the tongue. That's nice of them to put that there so we know what kind of shoes we're wearing. It says Nike a couple places. Yeah, this is all right. Yeah, good overall pickup. I think that this was a good cop. That LD-1000, whatever, is that what it was called? It doesn't matter. I'll put it in the description. You guys know what you're looking at. This was a good overall cop. What do you guys think of this? I'd wear these shoes. I think they make a men's version. I know a lot of the things they make in. They show you the different sizes for women and men, so that it's like here in the States, it's a size and a half. You go down 1.5 sizes from whatever the men's is, and that gets you in the women's shoes. And if you sizing a women's shoe, you go up 1.5 sizes. That's a thing that you can do. I've done that. Yeah, did that on the other shoes. I think I put a video up about those one day. What do you think? Yeah, the A edition, or edition A, Aritzia. What do you guys think of Aritzia? You guys shop there? Did your girl shop there? Does she haul you into the mall all the time and you're looking at all the fancy pants clothes, or is she rubbing on her phone and showing you all the nonsense that they have there with all the clothes and the whatnot? I don't know. I tend to wear just t-shirts and whatever. I do. I try to rep what I like though on the t-shirt. Stance Works. Y'all know Stance Works? Y'all watch Mike Burrows over there? He builds the cars and the whatnot. Yeah, built a cool Ferrari, always doing BMW nonsense. I kind of dig that. I like the Mike Burrows. I like the Stance Works, so I buy his merch. I support the YouTubers. I do that for a couple different YouTubers. I get the merch when they release it, if I like it. If you're out there and you're doing the merch releases and I'm watching your shit, from my opinion, don't do all of the crazy like nonsense and shenanigans on your merch. Just do something simple that's easy to wear that'll go with a bunch of other stuff. I don't need cartoons, and I don't need, people don't need the monsters and the creatures and the crazy script. Just do something sedate. And if I like your channel, I'll probably be the guy buying your shit. So, there you go. That's what I got. If you're still sitting here after 12.5 minutes of me talking about women's shoes, there you go. Like, comment, subscribe. And maybe some people will see, like maybe the algorithm will do what it does. Yeah, that's it. Like, comment, subscribe. Say things that aren't mean. And, yeah, just be good people. All right.